Bree with Califia Candle Company. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fragrance oil review from Northwood Distributing. They recently reached out and asked if they could send over their newest launch, which is their spring and summer release. So we have 16 new scents in here to try out. I have not opened the box yet. I have no clue what is in here, so I'm really excited to get into it. Thank you so much, Northwood, for sending this over to me. I really appreciate it. And per usual, I do have my computer pulled up here with their website, so we can go through all the fragrance notes for each fragrance and all of that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just finished taking the oils out of the little bags they come in, and I do love that on the inside of the box they have a sticker there with the name of each oil that is in the box. That's just kind of a thoughtful touch. So let's go ahead and get started. So up first we have Rainbow Sherbet. This one has top notes of bright citrus, fruity melon, middle notes of leaf green, soft floral, and base notes of raspberry crystals, apple, and creamy coconut. Ooh, let's see if it smells like the ice cream. It does. That's really, really good, actually. It's not overly sweet at all. You just definitely get that fruit element, and it just smells like a fresh kind of fruit fragrance, not anything overly sweet. Ooh, that's really nice. That would be a great summer scent. Up next, we have Rose Noir, and this does have type next to the name, so it is a dupe for, it says for a popular scent by Byredo. And it does say the description and info is coming soon on the website, so there are no notes listed currently, but let's just, based off the name, I'm gonna guess it smells like roses a bit at least. Let's see. Ooh, it does smell like rose, but it also kind of has a little bit of a musk to it, I would say. That's different for a rose scent. I really like that, actually. It's not too overbearing. Sometimes I feel like certain rose scents can be a little bit too artificial and kind of in your face. That one's really nice. I like that a lot. Next we have Sea Lavender and Musk, and just based off the name of this one, I have a feeling I'm gonna like it. That sounds like a great combination. So we have top notes of bitter orange, black pepper, opal apple, middle notes of sea lavender, geranium, and rose, and base notes of tonka bean, leather, moss, and musk. That sounds like it's going to be earthy, but also a little bit of that lavender floral element to it. I would say that that is definitely the perfect blend of earthy and floral together. That smells like a spa day. That smells really great, actually. Ooh, I like that. I'm actually gonna move that one to a separate pile. I'll try to kind of narrow down my favorites at the end of this. I like that one a lot. Then we have Peach Mimosa, which is something that sounds really good right now. We have top notes of champagne, fresh orange, grapefruit, middle notes of fresh picked peach, hibiscus syrup, and base notes of black currant and vanilla agave. Ooh, I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one too. Oh my gosh. Wow, it literally smells like a peach mimosa. I can smell the peach. The peach is very upfront, but not in a bad way, in a great way. And I'm also picking up on that champagne as well. Wow, that would also be a really great spring or summer fragrance. Ooh, okay, that's a great one. Okay, next, this one sounds like it's gonna be a really great fresh fragrance. This is lemon and eucalyptus. So we have top notes of fresh, clean citrus leaf, middle notes of lemon, geranium, eucalyptus, and base notes of fresh clover and orange blossom. That sounds like it's gonna be refreshing. Ooh, that one had some air trapped in it. Oh, that smells really clean. Lemon, eucalyptus. I am picking up on a bit of that orange blossom as well. That is just a good, well-balanced, clean fragrance oil. Okay, all of these so far have really hit it out of the park, and this one sounds like it's really gonna be good too. This is called Neon Blossoms. We have top notes of orange, cosmic crisp apple, peach, middle notes of silver moon rose, fennel seed, jasmine, and jewel strawberry. Base notes of vanilla, caramel, and fluid musk. Ooh, this has some interesting notes in there. Let's see. Oh wow. That's a complex fragrance. It definitely has some depth to it. Right away, I kind of picked up on the citrus elements of it, but then you do get the fruity aspect as well, and then at the end, it's sort of that vanilla-y element. Ooh, wow, that one is really interesting in a good way. I haven't ever smelled a fragrance oil like that one before. That is really, really good. Next, we have Lost Cherry. This is a Tom Ford type. I have never smelled anything Tom Ford, so I'm not sure what to expect. Top notes are sweet cherry, almond, middle notes gourmand, leaf green, jasmine, and base notes are musk, sandalwood, and oak moss. Wow. Ooh, oh my gosh. You know what this smells like? And I do have a fragrance oil from another company that smells like what I'm thinking of too, but this is a little bit more elevated, I would say. This smells like the cherry almond lotion from Jergens, which is my favorite lotion. My mom, when we grew up, would just always wear that lotion, and now I wear it. It's just kind of like nostalgic for me, but that is what it smells like to me, with a little more depth to it, a little bit more muskiness. I really, really like that one. Wow. All right, and up next we have Daydreams. This is another one where the info and fragrance notes will be coming to their website soon. So not sure what to expect with this one, but just by the picture on their website and the name, I'm kind of thinking like a fruity citrus maybe. Oh yeah. Yeah, I would say fruity, citrus, and maybe like a vanilla or musky kind of base note. Wow, I like that. That's really fresh. Okay, I'm really excited for this next one. This is Nectarine Blossom and Honey, and this is also a type. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Jo Malone perfume, which I have smelled before and I really like, but I will never pay for it because it's too expensive. So, and this one also, the notes are coming soon to their website. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that smells exactly like it. Oh, wow. I already know I'm going to be making this into a body spray with the body mist base from Midwest. Oh, I'm super excited about that one. That is my favorite one so far. Really, really, really like that. Next, we have LYS 41. This is a Le Labo dupe. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I'm a budget bargain shopper, so some of these higher end names I'm not really sure how to pronounce, but this one also has info coming soon. The picture is a floral element. Ooh. Definitely floral forward, but it's nice and bright. It's not anything overly heavy or overwhelming. Ooh, wow. Gosh, there are just so many winners in this group. I haven't had one yet that I did not like. So let's see if we can keep the ball rolling. Next is another Le Labo dupe. This is Bay 19. If that's how you pronounce that correctly. No idea what to expect. Oh. I almost picked up a little bit of like a spice to that one. Yeah, I would say like a spicy kind of florally scent. That actually, I think I just jinxed myself. Not my favorite personally, but it is a nice scent if you are kind of into that more earthy floral scent. Then we have Lemon and Rosemary Palms. This one sounds like it's going to be a really nice kind of clean scent. We have top notes of lemon, sun-kissed bergamot, rosemary palms, middle notes of orange blossom, English lavender, and white thyme, and base notes of tonka bean, blue amber, sandalwood, satinwood, and fluid musk. Wow. That sounds like it's going to be really refreshing. Oh my gosh. That is really, really nice. Oh, it's so clean smelling. Oh, that's a perfect spring and summer scent. Just really fresh and clean. What was the other one I smelled that was kind of similar to that one? Oh, the lemon and eucalyptus. I would say I like this one more. I think it's a little bit more fresh than that one. Really, really like that. Up next, we have Narcissist. And this one has top notes of fresh, clean floral, middle notes of spice and jasmine, base notes of velvet woods, musk, and sweet earth. Ooh. This sounds like it's gonna be a nice kind of spicy, earthy scent. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's different than what I was expecting, and in a really great way. That is, oh, that's really nice. I'm picking up on all of those elements. The floral, the spiciness, the muskiness. That's like a really, really nice blend of all three of those things. Wow. That's definitely going in the really likes pile. We have 3 left, and up next we have a high maintenance. Clever names for these last couple of ones here. So this one has top notes of jasmine and citrus, middle notes of spice, cyclamen, and lily, and base notes of patchouli, amber, and sweet vanilla. That sounds really nice as well. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm really blown away by all of these. I'm not just making this up, I swear. That is really great. I don't think I've smelled a fragrance oil quite like this one. That is really the perfect warm kind of spicy but still florally scent. Oh my gosh. I really, really, really like that one. Wow. Next we have Sun Drenched Vineyard, and this is a Bath & Body Works dupe. It has top notes of fruity citrus, grape, middle notes of leaf green and jasmine, and base notes of raspberry crystals, velvet woods, and apple. Wow. I'm excited to smell this one. I think spring and summer scents are just my wheelhouse of fragrances I really like, because I have just enjoyed all of these. Ooh, okay. I really like that one. That is a little sweeter than the other sort of fruity floral ones we've smelt. Definitely on the sweeter side, but still really nice. That would be a great summer edition. And last but not least, we have Unnamed. This is another Byredo type, and the description and info are coming soon to their website. So not sure what to expect with this one. Let's just go ahead and jump into it. Oh, I feel like I'm getting citrusy, but also woody. Yeah, I would say citrus and woody. That one's also probably not one of my favorites, but it still is a really nice one. Okay, it's really hard to narrow these down because I truly loved all but 2 of them, I would say. But I did narrow it down to 5, and I'll just tell you guys my top 5 favorites in case you care. Up first, I would say number 1 is the Nectarine Blossom and Honey. This one was just to die for. I just love that scent, so I'm super excited to put that into a body mist, like I said. For number 2, I would say Narcissist. This one just blew me away. I need to smell it again. Oh my gosh. It's just, it has a lot of depth to it, and I would say it's really unique. I have not smelled a fragrance oil like that before. Oh, it's so good. I really like that one. In the number 3 spot, I would say the Lost Cherry scent. This just, again, brings me back to my childhood memories. Oh, yeah, it smells like that Jergens lotion, which makes me think of my mom. it makes me happy. So I really, really like that one. That would be a great lotion scent to use in lotions or bath products. Fourth place, we have High Maintenance. Oh my gosh, yeah. Ugh, that one's so good, so good. Another really unique one that, like Narcissist, I have not smelt one like that before, so I really enjoyed that one. Fifth place, Lemon and Rosemary Palms. That's just the perfect fresh and clean scent. That really is. So I think it's safe to say that Northwood hit it out of the park with this launch. I truly am so impressed with all of these, and I can't wait to put them to use and test them in candles. So thank you again, Northwood, for sending these over. I'm so glad I got to try them out for you guys, just in case you are interested. I will link their website down below if you want to check them out. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.